Alright, today I'm going to talk about my very neglected sad Ae86. I've got things planned for it, so don't worry about it being sad and neglected for too much longer. As you can see here, I got all the stuff that I need pretty much. I'm going to put the stock LCAs back in. I had a deal with Mason and he gave me like a little discount on some stuff that we ordered, and I'm going to give him the extended LCAs because he needs them for his car. I'm not going to really be drifting this car, that's kind of not the plan, so stock LCAs, stock angle, and everything's gonna be fine for me. I'm gonna daily it for a little while, and then maybe at some point I'll do the autocross type thing. But for now, I'm just gonna daily it. When I get it going, I want to daily it. So I got 2 stock LCAs, 2 well, not brand new, but like new to me hubs. Mine are all fucked up and like warped. I don't know, something's wrong with them. They just blow the bearings out every time I drive on them. Maybe I was packing the bearings wrong, but somebody sent these to me, so I'm very grateful for whoever did that. And he also sent me this, a manual steering rack, which is like gold if you're in the know about 86s. Super simple, yeah, super simple, and just a lot better than a power steering setup. Don't got to worry about all the lines and the leaky shit going on. So I got that. Something I need, or anyone would need if they're doing a manual rack setup in their 86, is a manual rack steering shaft. And so I just ordered that from T3. Should be here like mid this week. And also I got the bushings that go for power steering rack to manual rack, like conversion bushings. So I got those coming in the mail as well. I got the stock knuckles because I have extended knuckles on there now, because I was like going for the drift 86 type thing, but no more. I'm just trying to get it driving. It's something I should have done like a long time ago, just try to get it driving instead of like doing a bunch of stupid shit to it. This is the tie rod end that came on it when I bought it. And I'll show you on the other side. I have a T3 one, but I lost the jam nuts for it, and I also lost the other one. So I'm just gonna put that one back in, because the problem with this one in the first place was it was seized, but I gave it a bath, like a night-long bath in some PB Blaster, and it's good now. So I'm just gonna go back to that, because if you look in my garage, it might be kind of hard to find the other tie rod. And also, while we're talking about the 86, let everyone know that I have these for sale. They are Speedline Zukas. They're like Watanabe replicas. They're 15 by 9, -10 offset. They got Hankook Ventus RS3s on them. So I'm selling them for 700 bucks. If you want to come pick them up, you can come pick them up anytime. They're still available, and all the money will go towards this car. I've got these wheels and the pair of Longchamps on the back, but I'm kind of looking to sell these and then buy like a more practical set of wheels, not so wide and shit. So
you mean you want to buy 2 more Longchamps?
Yeah, probably actually. But pretty much the gist of it, Riley came over and really inspired me to get to work on this bitch. So that's what we're gonna do. When I get all that stuff from T3, we're just gonna take it down to Troy's shop, put it on the lift, put all this stock shit back in. Also, I have a adjustable proportioning valve from Willwood coming in the mail, so we're gonna try to figure out the brake issue, which was like the biggest setback in the first place. So yeah, I guess
a lot of people don't know you own this car.
Yeah,
so
we could talk about it a little bit. It's just a car that I've had for like 2 years now. Bought it from a guy who had got it stolen from him. He recovered it and then he put it up for sale, so I bought it. We could put in a couple clips or pictures of what it looked like before, and then what it looked like after it got stolen, and then now here it is. Pretty much the whole inside of the car was gutted and stolen. Everything was taken out of it. But a year, me and DJ did like a bunch of little things to it. Like we put in the carpet, the door cards, we pieced back together the dash, which was really hard to find all the parts for that.
Let me just sweep around.
Yeah, pretty much. It was really ugly when I bought it.
Yeah, throw in that clip from the video when you brought it home.
Yeah, I'll do that. Everyone's like, why the fuck did you buy this piece of shit? But yeah, honestly, it's come quite a bit, like a long ways, but I just kind of fell off. And it's the 16 valve.
So what? So fucking what? Yeah, dude, it's sick, hella clean.
I feel like I'm gonna get electrocuted. So the people that stole everything out of it just ripped everything out. Like they didn't try to save anything.
Fuck. Dude, I guess missile then.
No, dude, I'm gonna rebuild it.
You will rebuild it?
I will rebuild it.
Dude, you know how hard this might be? Possibly I haven't Googled it yet to find?
You're a hater.
How do I adjust this seat?
You just move it up.
Perfect. Yeah, dude.
You like that steering wheel?
Yeah, dude. It came with a free vice grip?
Yeah. And an Artie.
Oh, dude.
Came with millions of piggies.
Dude, and an aux cord. Hell yeah. Oh no, that's some science shit. I don't know what that is.
Oh, sick.
Oh yeah!
No tune, no life. Sick.
What the fuck?
Pull that seat out of there.
I don't have any tools. Oh dude, is there a flashlight under here? Dude, 1 us, 0 them.
Oh, can I put that in my car? Dude, what if there's a dead body in the trunk? Got some oil.
That's all it needs.
Yeah, so I just need to get it inspected. So once I do that, I'm just gonna daily it, and that's gonna be awesome. It's a cool car, and sometimes I forget that it's here and that I own it. Well, kind of. I just wanted to get that out of the way. I got stuff coming for it, so you guys can look forward to that. Me and DJ also got some packages in the mail that we're gonna open for you today. And I think we're gonna go to the skate park and do that because it's a nice day, and it's sunny, but it's always like cold right here because of the trees and shit. So this car, it runs. Like the engine's fine and it kind of idles high, but I think it drops down once it starts warming up.
Yeah, it's an old motor.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of miles on it.
After I like kind of just have some fun with the 4A GE, I think I'm gonna do a Beams, or if I'm rolling in money, I'll do F20C. That's a bit of future plans for the 86, but also future plans that are not very far in the future, just getting it driving. So hopefully this week Riley's gonna come over and we're gonna just really buckle down and get this thing going.
Okay, back to the fucking basics.
We ever do.
This one is actually from Colin Wright.
No, not really.
Yeah, his name does sound familiar. We've definitely sent him merch before, I think.
Oh yeah. First of motherfucking all. Congratulations on 100K. Also, sorry for my trash handwriting. It looks a lot like mine, so don't worry about it. Quentin, you and Daddy Deej are two of the funniest people on YouTube, and More Skids has been my favorite channel for the past year and a half, maybe 2. I've been subscribed to you two jackasses since around 10K or whenever it was when Quentin picked up the 86, which has become my favorite Corolla on YouTube.
Sorry.
If you guys would give my Instagram a shout out, I would love it. At the Colin Wright. Don't be a bitch. That's kind of cool.
That is cool.
Yo, this shit's fucking taped shut. This is from Kakari Demeanor. Karakari. Yeah. This is from some dude in Ohio. Hella stickers in here. Heckin' hello, dude. Yo, more skids. Just wanted to show some appreciation to the dudes Q and DJ for awesome content. Keep up the good work. Also, hopefully you can find some use for my stickers. I sent a few so you guys can split between you. I don't want to be that guy, but just recently started my brand, and you could maybe mention me. Oh, if you would maybe mention me, that would be red. Harakiri Demeanor, yes. I think I got it in the end. Harakiri Demeanor, and then that's his Instagram.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Shit, these are actually dope. Oh fuck yeah.
Oh, sick.
Dude, I love that one. Dude, I'm getting that tattooed on me.
Cool.
Dude, that's going on the IS like right now.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I don't know what the fuck that says, but looks like old school, like Japanese, like 90s street team shit.
9 or 6?
9 lives.
Oh, sick.
All right, thank you. Harakiri Demeanor. God, I hope I fucking am saying that right.
Yeah, thanks to everyone who sent us something. From Juan Grimaldo. I actually know what this is because he texted me and was like, yo, I'm gonna send you this, and I was like, alright.
I'm gonna stand in your shadow, or I'm gonna put you in the shadow.
Yo, sup boys, here is one of the vintage Nismo style shirts I designed for Dirty Mob this past winter. There's like no more of these, and I'm pretty sure this is like actually the last one we printed. Hope you dig the shirt, and I'll send you something. I'll send something for Deej once we start printing more shiz. Let the young sub slide into my DMs at Daddy Datsun on literally everything.
Even MySpace. That is so sick.
Hell
Wow.
yeah. Everyone hit up Daddy Datsun on Instagram and tell him to make more of these because they're tight.
Those are tight.
We used to come to the skate park like all the time in our videos.
Yeah, it used to be our thing.
Yeah. We used to also skate.
Yeah.
Dude, I
gibbled that drink.
I remember coming here on like days like this when we were like hardcore skaters, and we would like wipe down, like bring a towel and wipe down the fucking ramps so they would dry up. I'm really bad at skating.
It's been a large minute.
Here's my bag of tricks. Ready?
What?
Kickflip.
Okay.
Ollie.
Ollie. Sickest trick in the book.
Nollie. Oh god. No, but here's my best trick. Haven't even tried this today. First try, switch flip.
Switch flip. Hey. Oh. I was looking in the camera. It looked like you landed it. You fucking suck.
If I don't land this one, I'm giving away the YouTube channel. Oh no!
The noise you made. Oh. Don't you fucking dare.
Yeah!
Oh.
That was so bad.
Yeah, but you landed it.
Alright, after I land it right here, I'm gonna show you guys where my skills really excel.
Where do your skills really excel?
I just bought a new pair of Adidas Match Court Pros, and look at the difference between these old shitty ones that I've been wearing for so long and these new ones.
Not even the same shape. Yeah, those were white when they were new.
Yeah.
Alright, so cool, yeah, we got a lot done today. Opened some mail, hung out, skated.
Cool things coming with the 86.
Oh yeah, big boy stuff coming with the 86. That's gonna be so sick just to ride around.
Yeah.
To go to Johnson's and get bolts in it, it's gonna be dope.
Alright, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next vid.
That is true.
This is our new Zoom.